Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to turn the bottom half of the squishy metallic. Today's material you'll be needing is a squishy, black paint, metallic powder, Mod Podge, and napkin. So let's get started. I'm going to get this napkin and just lay it flat. Just grab my squishy. Get my poofy paint. I'm going to speed up this video of me painting.
One hour later. One hour later.
So the black painting has been already dried, so next we're going to add the chrome powder onto the squishy. Let's speed up the video. Already done covering the squishy with chrome powder, so next I'm going to put Mod Podge over the powder.
2 hours later.
So this is how the squishy looks like. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment down below and share with your friends and family.